going on, I thought I'd just do a quick video of replacing the headlight switch in my Galaxie. Got no dash lights, so I'm pretty sure this is the issue. There's the dimmer maybe there, but yeah, I just thought I'd go ahead and replace it. So pretty easy to pull out, just unplug the harness there, reach in, push this little button down like that, and that will release the knob and the shaft out, so it just seats in there, so that'll release that. Pull that out, and then you'll be able to pull this out from under the dash. So just basically reverse that to chuck the new one in. So the new one's only a 7 pin, the old one's an 8 pin. But they have, see this one here, it just takes 1 pin now, where the old one was that one and that one, but they just join the two up. Everything else should line up sweet. So yeah, it's just a 7 pinner. Not sure why they've done that, but it must be incorporates obviously 2 separate things into one. Sweet, so I'll reach in, chuck that one under. Right, switches in. See if we can get this locked in. There we go. Right. Weird, it doesn't want to push right in. It's engaged, but it doesn't want to push right in. No. I don't know why it's sticking out of it, because this old switch is actually a bit longer that way. So I'm thinking maybe if I space that switch back, the new switch back that distance, yeah, maybe that might work. Space that back that distance to get that hard in there. Oh, let's see if it works. Hopefully we've got some dash lights. Headlights. Oh, look at that. Got some dash lights. Set the temp. That's alright, I think that's missing a bulb. But we've got speedo lights, fuel gauge light, nice. Wipers, that one was forward, so those lights, but I think that's supposed to be air, to be honest. I don't know if there's any lights in there, but I think we might be missing them. Radio, I think we might be missing those bulbs. But sweet. At least that'll work. These ones I need to hook the lights up, and the voltmeter gauge is shit itself, so I need to replace that. Yeah, cool. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, so park lights are going. That's cool. I wouldn't mind getting some LEDs for these too, but yeah, I'm not sure if you can. I think you can just do a straight swap. I don't know if you have to do anything else, but yeah, sweet. Dash lights, go.